In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a sequence for an Instagram reel. So first, you wanna click on this tab where it shows the Instagram reels, then choose an Instagram reel like this one, and then click at the bottom right of these three dots, and then you wanna click sequence, and then here you want to click next, and then you wanna basically film your video. So I have my camera blocked, so I'll just do an example here. Like I'm filming my hand here and stop it, and then you want to click next, and then here you want to just edit the video. As you see here, you can edit it. This is your hand, the next footage, the first footage. After you finish editing it, adding audio and everything, you can just scroll back up and click next, then share, and there you go. So you just wait for it for a few seconds and it should appear, the sequence that it should show over here. So I'm just gonna wait for a few seconds here. I'm gonna keep refreshing. Okay, there you go, it appeared. So this is the one, and this is like a sequence I did, and that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.